are going to explain the structure of flower.
Okay.
This is the structure of flower in which this is called petal. This is called petal. This is called sepal, which means leaf. This is receptacle. This is stigma, which is present up. On this is called filament, and this is called anther. On the anther, there are some dust-like particles called pollens. When I will blow, these particles will flow. You can see these kinds of pollens can shift themselves to different types of flowers called pollination. This is called style. Here it's present inside. This is called style. This is called filament, anther, and here there are parts of these flowers which are present inside. The petals, leaf, sepals, stigma, style. This whole part is called carpel, and this whole part is called filament. Thank you.
Okay. Now can you tell me the female part is called as the carpel. Okay. If a particular flower does not have a carpel, if carpel is missing, then what will happen? If there is
The reproduction of the flower will stop, and the flower cannot grow freely.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay. You have made the structure of leaf and you have labeled it in detail. Can you explain me parts of a leaf?
A leaf is an important part of the plant. The flat green part of plant is called lamina. The lamina is attached to the stem, which is called petiole.
Petiole, okay.
It has many lines on it, which you can see. It is called veins.
Veins.
Veins. Veins helps us.
Veins, okay.
Veins helps leaf to transport water, raw material, nutrient, and etc.
Okay, so can you tell me, you have said that there are veins, midrib, margin, apex. These are the parts of a leaf. What will happen if there are no veins on the leaf? If the leaf doesn't have veins?
If a leaf doesn't have veins, so plant will not get food properly and they will die. Plants will die.
Okay, the leaves will not be able to, the plant will not be able to survive. Why? Because because you can continue. Because what will happen?
Because if no veins will be there, so not another plant can transport food also, and plants cannot survive also.
Okay, good.